Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIB's Home School, and this is Ariful, Assistant Teacher of English, National English Version School, Morning Shift. Today, I will take English class for genuine students. Our today's topic: making words from G to M. Okay, let's see our today's class. Today's class, Junior 1. Class Junior 1, subject English, topic making words with letters from G to M. Term half yearly, lecture 2, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number, this is messenger ID, and today's date. So, my dear students, this is the book of Junior 1. Lexis Smart Grammar Prime. Okay, so we will learn making words from this book. Okay, so these are the pages. You can see from A to F. Our teacher Afsana Madam has taken the class. I will take the class from G to N. Okay, let's read first. G for goose, G for girl, H for horse, H for house. Okay, let's go to next page. I for eyes, I for igloo, J for joker, J for jelly. Okay, next one. K for king, K for cattle. Next one. L for lion, L for lamb. M for mango, M for mat. Z for again, G for goose, G for girl. H for horse, H for house. Next one. I for eyes, I for igloo, J for joker, J for jelly, K for king, K for cattle, L for lion, L for lamb, M for mango, M for mat. Okay, so let's start the class. So we have learned G for goose, G for girl. Okay, you can have also your own words. You can make also your own words, but you have to remember about the spelling. So, G for goose, G double O S E, goose. Okay, G double O S E, goose. G for goose, and G for girl, G I R L, girl. G for goose, G for girl. H for horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse, and H for house, H-O-U-S-E, house. Okay, so H for horse, H for house. I for eyes, I-C-E, eyes for eyes, and I for igloo, I-Z-L-W. Okay, move to next page. So I for eyes, I for igloo. Then J for joker, J-O-K-E-R, joker. Okay, so write the word J carefully. J for joker, and J for jelly, J-E-double-Y. Okay, so J for joker, J for jelly. Next one, move to next one. K for king, K-I-N-G, king. K for king, and K for cattle, K-E-double-T-L-E, cattle. K for cattle, K-E-double-T-L-E. Okay, next one, L. L for lion, Lion, and L for lamb, Lamb. So L for lion, L for lamb, Lion, Lamb. Next one, M for mango, 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 and M for mat. Okay, so M for mango, M for mat, M-A-T, M for mat. So let's read again. So today's class, making words with letters from G to M. So G for goose, G for girl, H for horse, H for house, I for eyes, I for igloo, J for joker, J for jelly, K for king, K for cattle, Kettle, cattle, L for lion, L for lamb, M for mango, M for mat. So we're reading for the last time. G for goose, G for girl, H for horse, H for house, I for eyes, I for igloo, J for joker, J for jelly, and K for king, K for cattle, L for lion, L for lamb, M for mango, M for mat. You can also say this like K for king, K for kite. Okay, you can also have your own sentence, own words. Okay, so that's all for today, my dear students. You can also learn your own words when making these letters. But remember about your spelling and remember your spelling very carefully. So that's all for today, my dear students. Keep practicing at home. Have a good time. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.